Hey, hello, sir. Sir, hello.
Oui.
How's it doing? Could you help me? I am looking for kind of Bibel entreprise. Could you help me? I would like to know the address. I don't know it. Could you help me? All right, I'm waiting for you. All right, please. Please, be quick. All right. I'm waiting on you. All right. I'm waiting here. All right, no problem. Okay, na limen ba ko pernah yan sa misi abzio men sa kay di mamise men.
Mal devoril.
Ante bi menali bo kenal devoril monsieur. Kwa kwa ma te shell be vous avons je vol si vous. Ok. Même ici.
Est-ce que c'est vrai?
Oui, c'est vrai.
Mal devoril.
Devoril volki. Hello, sir. As I was telling him, I'm looking for kind of Bibel entreprise address. So I was told it is the one here. Could you help me with that?
Aujourd'hui, cette mission accomplie. Try it for me, please, baby.
C'est vraiment